Hey YouTube, so this is the other guy coming to you tonight. So in tonight's episode, I'm going to do a open box review on a dual piston portable air compressor. So this unit here, the brand is called All Top. So I'm going to do an open box review, and let's go ahead and open this thing and see how it looks like. Let's pull it out. Here's the handbag. So let's look at the bag. This is not my first all top. I had a single piston unit, and I'll be honest with you, I was pretty disappointed with that bag that came with the single piston. So this is the dual piston bag, and it feels just like the old bag too. Now it doesn't feel very heavy duty, but compare this to a Harbor Freight bag, this is a little bit better quality. But if you compare this to a Milwaukee handbag, you know, the hand tool bag, no, this doesn't compare to the Milwaukee tool bag. So ooh, this thing looks big, and it's pretty heavy. I can tell you it's about 10 or 15 pounds. These are the accessories that comes with it. Okay, and it's got a sticker here. Put this in your car, and it'll raise the horsepower to about 5 horsepower. Okay, so this is that bag right here. Oh look, it's got a loose washer here, a lock washer, but we'll keep it here just in case we might need it. But yeah, this is the bag. It doesn't feel heavy duty. Compare this to a Milwaukee bag or a Husky bag from Home Depot. It's not as heavy duty as those bags, so I'm thinking this won't last long. So I'm already, in my mind, I'm already thinking about a bag that looks like this, or that is about this dimension, like this. That'll hold this thing when this thing breaks. It's nothing to sing about. So this is the unit right here. This is what I'm looking at. So this is the air hose for the unit. This thing goes like this, and it stays. Excuse me. And then this thing right here, it screws onto the valves of your tire. So here, there's an adapter right here. Okay. Quick connect, quick disconnect. That's what's good about this. And I'm gonna leave this here because I like the quick disconnect. And as usual, we have a paint rattle can cap right here. This here is for your air gauge. So as far as accuracy, I do not know, but I don't trust these gauges. So what I'll do is I'll carry another air gauge where I can check it against this. So the air hose, this is pretty long, which is good for off-roading purposes. I really like this. Okay, so this is how this bad boys look like. So you can see it's, I don't know if you can see here, it says All Top 4x4 accessories. This is the on and off button. Feels very solid, feels pretty good. This is not plastic. It doesn't feel like it's plastic. It's sort of like a nylon-ish, plastic-ish unit. And so all of this looks pretty solid. The pistons looks pretty solid. The handle looks pretty solid. Feels pretty solid all over. This is pretty high quality right here. I'll be honest with you, compare this to my single piston all top, this is a better unit, it looks like. So the unit itself looks pretty solid. Okay guys, so this is what we're doing. We're gonna be testing to see how loud this thing is. And so what we're gonna do, we are gonna, this is my welding table, so I've energized this already. This is the ground, and this is the positive lead. Okay, so let's turn it on. Ooh, it's pretty powerful. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so this is a pretty powerful unit. I can't wait to go and try this. Maximum pressure is 150 psi. Voltage between 12 volt to 13.8 volts. Amperage draw is 90 amp. And airflow, okay, is 350 liter per minute. And that's a lot of liter. So convert that to cubic feet per minute. That's about 11 to 12 cubic feet per minute. So this is that bad boy right here. I can't wait to go and try this out. We're gonna do a snow run in a couple weeks, and I'm gonna be testing this out on my Toyota 4Runner. It's got 37s on it, and that's what I wanted. That's why I wanted to test this out on. So this is the box. It's supposed to come with a quick release rubber air hose, additional nozzle adapters, a durable battery clamp. The battery clamps are pretty high quality. The bag, it says heavy duty, but to me it isn't. Multiple valve connectors. I only see one valve. Oh yeah, that's true. Two valve connectors. And see, that's where the filter is. Built-in cleanable sponge filter. And so here it is. The output capacity of this unit is 350 liter per minute, and it is rated at 12.35 cubic feet per minute. And maximum pressure is 150 psi, and its duty cycle is 25 minute FPS 40 psi. So that's plenty enough for a person to air up their tire. So I'm guessing about 10 to 12 minutes should be okay to bring a set of tires from 10 psi to 32 psi, enough to come back home. So yeah, that's it. The only thing that I'm missing here is the handbook. I'm not seeing any handbook, unless this is the handbook, but it's just a sheet of paper. Yeah, it's just a sheet of paper about the compressor. And that's it, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are.